Hi everyone, Wilson with Premier here with another project we just completed. This Ford GT behind me just got a full body ClearGuard Nano wrap, and like all of our videos, we like to show the details of the work that we put into this film installation. So why don't we come and take a closer look. So first off, all of our installations are custom. We don't usually need pre-cut kits or customized pre-cut kits. So the final results are a lot clearer and a lot more seamless. So let's take a closer look at this panel right over here. The full fenders, one piece done all the way through. The edges are as close to the panel edge as possible, so you don't see any wax or dirt buildup. Same thing with this front bumper here. If you look at this inside opening over here, we wrap the film all the way in towards the edge so that you don't have a separate piece that joins in here. A lot of times when you have pre-cut kits, this is either done in two pieces or they try to do one piece and there's joining seams over here or along the body line. The way we do this is one piece, and aesthetically it looks so much better that way. Now let's move back to the side of this car. This door over here is a little bit complicated, but we were able to do this as a one-piece installation. All of the panel surface inside here, including the rocker panels, are protected as well. Because there's a direct opening right in here that allows a lot of debris to fly through when the front tires are kicking things up. This area is definitely a high impact area that debris would chip up the paint if left unprotected. Now, at the customer's request, this bottom side of the door, we double layered it so that over the years, this piece will definitely get damaged. And when that happens, all we have to do is remove this top layer and replace it with a new sheet, and saving the customer time and giving it double layer protection. Now, one of the more complicated parts of this car is this rear quarter panel. Inside over here, there's a wide opening, and again, a lot of debris that comes in from the side is going to damage all the paint in here. What we did is we did full protection with this inside panel and also the exterior of this car as well, of this rear quarter panel as well, so this provides maximum protection. Now, to give you a better view, let's come back here. If you look into this area over here, it's basically protected side to side without any distortions, without all the seams that normally comes with having to join multiple pieces into this area. Now, the last part I wanted to show is the interior of the car. Now, we did the full exterior protection, but at the customer's request, we also did protection for this carbon fiber side sill and also inside the kick panels. This interior piece is matte gel coated, so what we did is we used SandGuard paint protection film to give it and match the existing matte gel coat on this carbon fiber piece. So when the customer is going in and out of the car and accidentally scuff that area, it's going to be protected, and all he needs to do is replace the piece over the years after there's multiple shoe scuffs. So that's it for this project. Again, we do a lot of hypercars, supercars here, and we're lucky enough to work on cars like this. Follow us and to see what new and interesting cars we have coming in every week.